Hey fam, want to level up your home security without breaking the bank? Check out why I'm obsessed with my XTU video doorbell camera. First off, instant alerts. Every time someone approaches my door, I get an alert instantly. No more missed packages or unexpected visitors spooking me. Next, the 180-degree head-to-toe view. It's like having a personal doorman. I can see everyone from head to toe, no guesswork involved. Finally, 2K HD video. The clarity is insane. Day or night, I can see anyone outside my door with crystal clear detail. Feels so secure. All these amazing features for just $69.99. Don't wait. Get yours now and feel safe instantly.